What's up y'all, it's Scapegoat here, and in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and create a subtle UK garage bass that you can use in a more melodic tune. And starting off, we're going to get Vital open, and starting off with oscillator 1, you're going to turn down the pitch to -24 semitones. And then we're going to go to basic shapes, and we're going to select the square wave. And on unison, we can have two voices, and we're going to turn down the percent to 2%. Gives it some stereo width. It should sound something like this. Then in envelope 1, we're going to turn down the sustain and the decay. You have something like that. Then going to filter 1, you can select a 12 dB filter. Turn down the resonance, and it sounds something like this. It's almost starting to sound like the sound. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take envelope 2 and we're going to modulate the cutoff. We're going to turn down the amount a bit. And then in envelope 2, we can go ahead and kind of create something that's similar to envelope 1, except we're going to have a little bit of a longer attack. Then we're going to turn down the cutoff of filter 1. And that's how you're starting to get the main part of the sound. Then all we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of distortion, some soft clip, turn up the drive a bit, and that's how you get the sound. Everything including this preset download link will be in the description box below. If you have any ideas for other tutorials, feel free to share them in the comment section. And until next time.